Hi everyone, in today's video we are unboxing another parcel. Yes, this is a small lot of 1 paise old coin. Let's quickly open up. Inside we have another bundle. Okay, it's fully taped. Okay, here we go. These are those 1 paise coins. Let me quickly open up. Okay, actually we have ordered 150 coins of this. They were mentioning that these are all UNC in condition. Let's check one sample. Okay, it's written 1 Naya Paisa 1962. Okay, the one we have is 1 Naya Paisa of 1962. It looks almost UNC. Okay, that's a lot of 150 coins. That's all in almost UNC condition. The task is simple, just to count. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, okay, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and a century. Okay, that's it. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 48, 49, 50, 22. It has more than 150 plus coins. So if you just compare the condition, it's a good looking UNC coin. 1 Naya Paisa 1962. You can see it's a UNC. Okay, that's all for today, guys. We have 150 coins of 1962 1 Naya Paisa. Okay, let's catch up in next video. Thank you, thanks for watching.